Can you hear me with the wind?
Go.
Hello! Today!
David!
Hey guys, I am going to show you how to fix the wing mirror of a 2009 Ford Focus 1.8 TDDCi. Yes, the diesel one, because my girlfriend smacked into a tree with her car, and this is what happened. As you can see, from a wing mirror perspective, this isn't of any use to anybody, so we need to fix this right away. To begin this job, we must enter the vehicle. Come with me on this journey. We are now in the vehicle. You must have some tools to complete this task, like a screwdriver, a ratchet. I'm pointing out the Come closer. I don't bite, guys.
Dude, stop.
This has to come off anyway. Right, back to seriousness. So we need to get this off because all our nuts and bolts are going to be behind here somewhere. So I'm going to spend a few minutes hacking away, and then I'll show you when I know what I'm doing. So inside the vehicle now. We had a look on YouTube. Gonna admit it, put my hands up. But see this thing here? Come on in.
Right.
Come on in. Come on in. So see this here? All you do is that. Like, it's that easy. No, you need to get your thing in here and like pop it open. You feel like you're breaking it. Probably will break it, but there's like clips here, here, and here. And you just literally have to pry it out. As you can see, there's a bit of mark in there. It's just the way of the world. But once you get that out, you're on to the next stage. So we have this bit off, and now it's on to the doors open. See this big bit? We need to pop that off, and the speaker's in it, so we want to be a bit careful. So if you can see this white clip here, and then there's a white clip down here. You can actually slide it off. Another option is to crimp the white bit and pop them out, or if you're a real gunter, just reef it and hope it doesn't break, but I'd be against that. So I'm gonna try and give this a go where I like slide it off without breaking the clips. So I'm gonna hand you over to my splendid camera woman. She's full of chat today.
Did you break it?
No. That one popped out. Now we have this popped out. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes. The clips came off. The actual electricals are clipped on there. Now you can see the wire in here completely loose there. So on to the next step. Because a tree knocked this off, our clips are broke in there, snapped clean off here. That's the next step. So see all this black stuff here where it was snapped off, that's actually meant to come off. So if you're doing this should all pop off. To get this off, come around to the inside. See that bolt there, and then the Torx here and the bolt there. Once you undo them, this black thing should come off. We should be able to put on our new one here. Where is it? See, yeah, the nuts and bolts there. I'm just going to unclip the little speaker here, the little tweeter to make life sort of easier. Because this one was broke, this should have been mounted on it like that, but because a tree snapped this one off. You look at the new one, see the way that foam is nice and it's on it, so it looks the job. Do you know we put the new one in? We are, with our lovely new wing mirror. Can you hear me with the wind? It's a bit windy here, so I'll speak up. We get our new one, feed the wire through the hole. We're going to plug it up to that one there. Well, we'll leave that to later. What we need to do, so see the way we want to sit our foam in at the bottom. So you sit the bottom in first. There. It's in. You look, see down here? See them clips? They've clipped in now, so it actually, when I let go, it doesn't fall off. It's hanging on by a thread, all nice and loose. So we just had to put our little white clip, that, and then our little Torx. The three things that are going to hold this on. As you see me taking them off, they're easy enough. Let's do it. So, how you change your wing mirror on your Shitebox Ford Focus 2009 1.8 TDC audio.
Why is it blue?
Well, it's a bit of blue and black now. What the fuck?
Right, you need to do a proper like right lad, so that's how.
It's not done. Come back in. Come back in. So you can leave it at this and call it a day. Go home because it'll work. That's all that matters. But if you're picking up your ma or granny or something and you need it to look a bit presentable, we need to stick all this shit back in. And actually there's a speaker on that, so probably should. So it's sort of boring. It's just if you watch the video and rewind, could put it back together. Yeah, let's do it. See these two white clips? Oh, boom, boom. You done now.
No, I'm not. Do you really fast forward this anyway?
Beautiful, beautiful. That, the hunt of a bit.
No, you have to go again. You just cursed. Go, start.
Is it still playing?
Yeah.
Hello.
No!
I swear to God,